In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Google Gemini trend video called Lava Surfer with a sharp edit. Whether you're a budding content creator or just someone curious about the world of digital video trends, this tutorial will guide you step by step through the process. So, grab your devices and let's dive in. First, you'll need to access Goggle. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Google homepage. It's the starting point for many of our internet adventures, so make sure you're there. Once you're on Goggle, go to the search bar at the center of the page. Here, you'll want to type in Google Gemini. By doing this, you're searching for the specific platform we'll use to create our trend video. Once you've entered Google Gemini in the search field, hit the Enter key to see the results. You should see a list of links popping up on your screen. Now, scroll through this list and find the official Google Gemini website. It's often one of the top results, but make sure you're clicking on the right link to avoid any potential confusion. Click on it to proceed. After landing on the Google Gemini homepage, your next step is to locate and click on the Create Video button. This button is your gateway to the video creation interface. It's usually quite prominent on the page, so it shouldn't take long for you to find it. Clicking it will lead you to where the magic happens, where we start crafting our trend video. Once you're in the video creation interface, it's time to make your prompt. For this project, we'll craft a compelling prompt designed to generate an awe-inspiring visual. Enter the following in the prompt field. A breathtaking cinematic image of a man surfing across molten lava waves in a scene of heat, motion, and fearless energy. This description will help the platform understand the kind of dramatic and captivating scene you're aiming to create. With your prompt set, it's time to take the final step, clicking on the Submit button. This button is usually located at the bottom of the page, and it sends your video request to the platform. Once you click Submit, Google Gemini will process your request, using the prompt you've provided to generate a unique and stunning video. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've created a captivating Google Gemini trend video, boldly themed around the lava surfer. Be sure to experiment with different prompts and ideas to keep your content fresh and exciting. Thanks for watching, and happy video creating!